So I'm going to try to clean up some more of this mess over here. I've got a mini excavator and a couple of 3 or 4 or 5 bigger piles of concrete than what I had. Some of it's too big to go in my little crusher if I did have it operating. So I've separated into big stuff that needs to be processed and stuff that's small enough to go into that little crush plant. And then I've got this attempt to build an aggregate screen that I made that worked a little bit on some smaller stuff, but and some big stuff. I need to move it around and get it out of the way, and get it to a place where I can process concrete and such that's got a lot of dirt in it. And I'm going to have to stop there, set it down, move some more stuff out of the way, and so forth. Swing around here, make a little path out and separate this bigger stuff the littler stuff. Put the big stuff on the big stuff pile and pick up some little stuff for the little stuff pile. Handy dandy tripod that I bought for the what do you call it, camera, isn't as stable as it could be, so I guess I'm gonna have to try to be a little smoother with this machine. Nobody ever accused me of being smooth. I have been accused of a couple of things. Put the big stuff on the big stuff pile, make it bigger, and rake up the little stuff. Put on a pile the smaller stuff. gets dumped on the pile. When it's minimal, it's not such a big deal to separate it. If there's a lot of dirt mixed in, or a lot of wood and trash mixed in with concrete, it's not good. And people that process concrete really fuss about things like that. I guess I'm one of those people now, but I pretty much do all of this myself, and so I don't have anybody to thank or blame except myself when it comes down to how it goes. But that's separating like that, and it goes a long ways towards cleaning up this mess, so I can break a path out of the way here. If I work at it a little bit, it might look like I really did something. Just playing around. But if I'm having a good time, everybody may not be happy, but I'll be happy, I guess. Especially if I accomplish something here. Neighbors love me. They may hate me. Some of them may love to hate me. One thing's for sure, like Captain Stretch, W.O. Hamilton once said, I make everybody happy. Some people, they see me coming. Some people, when they see me leaving. But everybody's gonna be happy at some point.